History's most terrifying plant that could kill without moving. Imagine being sentenced to death, not by a gun, not by a sword, but by a plant. It never runs, it never attacks, it doesn't even move. Yet, according to one of history's darkest stories, it could slowly become your executioner. What kind of plant could do something so terrifying? For centuries, people have told a chilling story about a mysterious execution method. A prisoner would be tied above a young green plant. Then, nothing happened. Not for hours, not even for a day. But that's exactly what made it terrifying, because the real danger was still growing beneath them. The same plant used today to build homes, make furniture, produce paper, and even prepare food. It's hard to believe, because completely harmless. But appearances can be deceiving.
Do you know its name? Tell me in the comments.
That's one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some species have been recorded growing up to about 90 centimeters, nearly 3 feet, in a single day under ideal conditions. Instead of spending years building thick trunks first, pushes upward at an incredible speed. It's one of nature's greatest engineering achievements. So, that was really used as an execution method? Historical accounts describe what's often called. However, many historians question how often it actually happened, and some believe the story was exaggerated or became a legend over time. In other words, the plant is real. Its incredible growth is real. But the historical story remains debated. That plant was bamboo. Whether it's history or just a legend, one thing is certain. Let's plant one of the most extraordinary plants on Earth. A plant that can build homes, feed people, and inspire one of history's darkest stories. Subscribe, Global Trees, for more amazing nature facts. Your next surprise is waiting on your screen. Click it now.